Good morning students. Now in our previous video we solved some questions of additions. Okay. Now today let I have 50 students in my class. Okay. And 30 are girls. If 30 are girls, then tell me how many are boys. That means tell me number of boys in my class. Tell me how to get number of boys. When we subtract 30 from 50, then we get our answer. Okay, that means when we subtract number of girls from total number of students, then we get number of boys. Okay, that means when we subtract like this 50 minus 30, then we get our answer 20. That means 20 number of boys are 20. Okay, क्या करेंगे, हमारे पास अगर टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स 50 हैं और उसमें से हमें पता है कि 30 गर्ल्स हैं, then number of boys we subtract our smaller number from greater number, then we get our answer. Okay, here 50 is minuend. What is this? Minuend. Okay, and 30 is subtrahend. Okay, and 20 is our difference. What is this? This is difference. We subtract our number in two ways, in horizontal ways or vertical way, like this. Okay, vertical way is easy for you to get your answer. आपके लिए vertical way ज़्यादा easy है. Okay, you know now numbers of, if we interchange our number in addition form or multiplication form, then we get our answer always equal. हम लोग को पता है कि हम लोग एडिशन फॉर्म में अगर अपने नंबर्स को ऐसे राइट करें इंटरचेंज करके, तो भी हमारा हमेशा आंसर क्या मिलेगा? 7. 3 plus 4 7, 4 plus 3 7 is equal 7. Okay, this is for only addition. And in multiplication form, when we multiply 3 multiply 4 and 4 multiply 3, then we get always our answer equal 12. Why? 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12. Okay, that means when we interchange our number in addition form and multiplication form, then we get our number always equal. Okay, but in the case of subtraction, interchange is not followed. ये follow नहीं होता है. Why? Because if you write 50 minus 30, then you get 20 your answer. Okay, when you subtract 30 minus 50, then it is minus 20. Why? Because 30 is a smaller number and 50 is greater number. We always subtract our smaller number from greater number, not greater number from smaller number. हम लोग हमेशा अपने छोटे नंबर को बड़े नंबर में से माइनस करते हैं, बड़े नंबर को छोटे नंबर में से माइनस नहीं कर सकते विदाउट कैरी लिए. ओके, और अगर माइनस करते भी हैं तो हमें हमेशा हमारा आंसर निगेटिव मिलेगा. दैट मीन्स बोथ आंसर्स आर नॉट इक्वल. दोनों इक्वल नहीं होंगे. इज इट क्लियर? दैट मीन्स only in the form of addition and multiplication interchange process are same, but in the case of subtraction interchange process are not same. Okay, now see your activity number 1. Now that means your chapter number 5 is subtraction. Okay, and in chapter number 5 you have given your activity number 1. In activity number 1 you have given some subtraction. Okay, based on your previous class. आपके previous class पे ही based है. Here some subtractions are without carry and some subtractions are with carry. Okay, now Yes, I have selected 5 questions from your subtraction. Now here question number 1 is OT. You know now what is meaning of O and T? O means ones, T means tens. Okay. Now here you have given 78 minus 35. You know that we start our addition, multiplication, subtraction from right side to left side. That means we start our addition or subtraction or multiplication from ones place. Okay. Now here ones place is 8 and 5. So we subtract our number 5 from 8. Okay. Now here 5 is a smaller number. 8 and 5. You have given two numbers 8 and 5, and in 8 and 5, 5 is a smaller number. Okay. So you shift 5 in your mind. अपने mind में आपको उसको shift कर लेना है. Now count after 5. Okay. And stop when you get 8. आपको क्या करना है? 5 को अपने mind में रखना है और 5 के बाद से counting start करनी है. और जब आपको 8 मिल जाएगा तो आपको वहाँ पे stop हो जाना है. Is it clear? Now count after 5. 6, 7, 8. How many fingers you have? You have 1, 2, 3 fingers. How many fingers? 3 fingers. Then you write here 3. Okay. And in tens place you have given 7 minus 3. Now here 3 is a smaller number. So you count after 3 and stop when you get 7. Okay. Now count after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers you have? You have 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. How many fingers? 4 fingers. Then you write here 4. That means when you subtract 35 from 78, then you get your difference 43. Okay, that means 43 is your answer. Okay. Now in fourth number you have given 52 minus 24. Here 2 is a smaller number and 4 is greater number. So it is impossible. Then we borrow one number from our tens place digit. हम लोग क्या करेंगे? tens place digit से 1 borrow करेंगे. That means 1 carry लेंगे. Then we get 5 and we cut 5 and write 4. Okay. And here we cut 2 and write 12. Why 12? Because we get not only 1. We get 1 10 जा 10. हम लोग इससे खाली 1 carry नहीं लेते हैं. हम लोग 10 कैरी लेते हैं. ओके. देन 10 प्लस 2 इज व्हाट? 12. दैट मीन्स आपको सिंपली वे में क्या करना है? जो भी नंबर यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है उस नंबर के आगे आपको 1 लगा देना है. तो 1 2 मिलके क्या हो गया? 12 हो गया. ओके. नाउ हियर 12 एंड 4 इज स्मॉलर नंबर. ओके. सो यू शिफ्ट 4 इन योर माइंड और एंड काउंट आफ्टर 4. नाउ काउंट आफ्टर 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then how many fingers you have? You have 5, 6, 7, 8 fingers. How many fingers? 8. So write here 8. That means 12 minus 4 is 8. Okay. And in tens place you have 4 minus 2. Then 4 minus 2 is what? 4 minus 2 is, count after 2, 3, 4. Only 2. Okay. Then write here 2. That means 28 is your answer. Is it clear? Now in 7th number you have given OTH. That means 3-digit number. You have given 3-digit number in hundreds place. Okay. You start your subtraction from ones place. Now 9 minus 4 is what? 9 minus 4 is, count after 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? 5 fingers. So write here 5. Okay. And 9 minus 8 is, here 8 is a smaller number. So count after 8, 9. We get 9. When we open only one finger, then we get 9. That means 9 minus 8 is 1. And 9 minus 5 is, count after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers you have? You have 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. So write here 4. That means 415 is your answer. Is it clear? Now in 9th number you have given 3 circles. 3 circles are given for your carrying number. Okay. Now we start our subtraction. 6 minus 6 is, when we have 2 same numbers and we subtract, then we get always 0. अगर हम किन्हीं भी same numbers को minus करते हैं तो हमें क्या मिलता है? 0 मिलता है. Okay. Then 6 minus 6 is 0. Now in tens place you have 2 and 4. Since 2 minus 4 is impossible, so regrouping start and cut 7, write 6, cut 2, write 12. Okay. Now 12 minus 4 is, count after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers you have? 5, 6, 7, 8 fingers. So write here 8. And 6 minus 2 is, count after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers? 4 fingers. Okay. Now write here 4. That means 480 is your answer. When you subtract 246 from 726, then you get 480. Okay. Now in 11th number you have given 761 minus 589. Since 1 minus 9 is impossible, so regrouping start, cut 1 and cut, firstly you cut 6 and write 5. Okay. And cut 1, write 11. Is it clear? Now 11 minus 9 is what? 11 minus 9 is, count after 9, 10, 11. Then how many fingers you have? 1, 2 fingers. Now write here 2. And 5 minus 8 is impossible because 5 is a smaller number. Then we borrow one number from our hundreds place. Okay. Now cut 7, write 6 and cut 5, write 15. 15 write कर देंगे यहाँ पे. ओके. जो भी नंबर है उसके पहले क्या करते हैं? 1 लगा देते हैं. नाउ 15. 15 minus 8 is, count after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then how many fingers? 5, 6, 7. How many fingers? 7 fingers. So write here 7. That means 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay. And 6 minus 5 is, 5 is a smaller number. So count after 5. Only one, when you finger open your only one finger, then you get 6. That means 6 minus 5 is 1. Now 172 is your answer. Okay. Now you have given in your page number 53 some properties of subtraction. Okay. Now you have given in your page number 53 three properties of subtraction. Okay. Now first property is when we subtract 0 to the any given number. When we subtract 0 to the any given number, then we get the number itself. अगर हम किसी भी नंबर में 0 को माइनस करेंगे तो हमें हमेशा वही नंबर ही मिलेगा. For example, when you write 53 minus 0, then you get your answer what? आपको आपका आंसर क्या मिलेगा? 53 ही मिलेगा. Why? Because 0 means nothing. अगर हम किसी भी नंबर में से 0 को माइनस करेंगे तो हमको वही नंबर मिलेगा. For second example, when you subtract 1000 minus 0, then you get 1000. Is it clear? Now this is your property number 1. Now in property number 2, when we subtract 1 to the any given number, अगर हम किसी भी नंबर में 1 माइनस करेंगे, then we get the number just before. तो हमें जो भी नंबर दिया है उसके just before का नंबर मिलेगा. That means you get your predecessor number. Okay. 100 minus 1 is 99 and 99 is the just before number of 100. Okay. Now for second example, when you subtract, you write 58 minus 1. Then you know now what number comes just before 58? 57. Okay. Now when we subtract 1 to the 58, then we get 57, and 57 is the just before number of the given number 58 or predecessor number of 58. Okay. Now this is your property number 2. And property number 3 is when we subtract the same numbers like this, then you get what? You get 100 minus 100 is what? 0. Okay. That means when we subtract the same numbers then we get our answer always 0. अगर हम कभी भी सेम नंबर्स को माइनस करते हैं तो हमें हमेशा हमारा आंसर 0 ही मिलेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, 49 माइनस 49 इज 0. ओके, 49 को माइनस किए तो क्या मिल गया? 0 ही मिल गया. नाउ यू हैव 3 प्रॉपर्टीज इन योर पेज नंबर 53. Page number 53, you have given 3 properties. Property number 1, if we subtract 0 to the any given number, then we get the number itself. Second property, when we subtract 1 to the given number, then we get the number just before. ठीक है? And number 3, when we subtract same numbers, then we get our answer always 0. Now you have 3 properties, and your next activity, that means activity number 2, is based on properties of subtraction. That means that these 3 properties are useful for your activity number 2. Okay, now students, revise your all properties, and your activity number 2 is very interesting. Now watch your next video for your activity for solution of your activity. Okay, thank you.